We want to get right to that breaking news in the international race for a COVID-19 vaccine. This morning, Russia making that major announcement approving the first coronavirus vaccine in the world. Ian Pannell is in London, has the latest for us. Good morning, Ian.
Yeah, good morning, Robin. That's right. A major declaration from the Russians saying they'll start mass vaccination by October. President Putin even saying one of his daughters has already been given this vaccine that they're naming Sputnik. This is a nod, of course, to their first in the space race during the Cold War. But for many, it's still too early and potentially dangerous to declare victory in the hunt for a vaccine right now. Breaking news in the race for a COVID-19 vaccine. Russia just announcing they've approved the first vaccine in the world and will start administering it in days, despite heavy criticism it hasn't been properly tested.
We expect registration of the first COVID vaccine in the world. We believe it's a great step for humanity forward, and we believe it's a very important step for the whole world to fight COVID.
The vaccine's said to be based on the same technology that helped them previously create an Ebola vaccine and will go to key workers like teachers and medics first. President Putin claiming it's passed all necessary testing, but many scientists inside and outside Russia very concerned over what they see as a hasty approach with just a small number of study volunteers. Russia essentially declaring victory before finishing its final stage 3 trials.
I think in the United States, we would demand a much bigger trial to be confident that the vaccine was safe in the sense that it didn't have an uncommon side effect and at least effective to some extent in the short term.
All this as Oxford, Moderna, Pfizer and others are moving forward with their phase 3 trials with at least 30,000 volunteers. US health experts optimistic. Speaking to ABC News, Dr. Anthony Fauci says he's hopeful that a vaccine will show to be effective in trials and authorized by the FDA within months, possibly as soon as the end of the year.
I believe there's quite a good chance that we will, and that should take probably by the end of this calendar year with vaccine available as we go into 2021.
Well, US Operation Warp Speed is putting billions of dollars behind vaccine makers so the companies can ramp up production and run clinical trials at the same time. US regulators are insistent that there'll be no corners cut when it comes to testing, making it safe to take. And for many, TJ, that is a key difference between what America is doing and what the Russians have just announced.
All right, Ian, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.